MeghalayaPost.news.
Nakadaw kajing bumhun bat kajing kano bakbor sanchar district ka East Jaintia Hills bat ka company Shim Bynta Limited kila suplong da kabor ka public hearing Bynta kasngi halum serman baki kinhun ba Pyrshah na kisnong bahab hak ilaka nong kli Bym Ïoh Lat ban Leit Shim Bynta ka sang Jaintia Students Union JSU Byrngem ban Ujor da ka ijahar sa USP ka East Jaintia Hills lasing ningkong baladaw USP Shim kaya ka nikakam ka sangan liti jingkang ru sa kayin ka shari ka Meghalaya High Court bandaway ka hong kito kiba Bym Ïoh Lat ban Shim Bynta ha ka public hearing habakranch kilat Thai Kubor, Education Secretary ke JSU, usamla boceru mi po snem, ulang baka seng klasim ya kini karai, ban Ujor FIR bat ban leti jingkang ru, syaka Meghalaya High Court, halor ke jingle don bor ban penlong ya kini ke public hearing, ke baklem da ailat ban Shim Bynta kitu kinong song kiba Pyrshah, bakum kiseng kila a jingkershan ya ki, ba makiru kinyo e kahong, ban penpang bat balasu penlong da kabor ya kini ke public hearing, klem ka kenhun ba Pyrshah, ulang ru nadu hnin kamiet, ladan ke jing tombor na ke kenhun kiba kershan ya ke Shim Bynta Limited, bala penun kam da ki kenhun runar ban khanglat hadu blami ka huri-hura bat ka basngusi wat ika ambulance ka seng ka balishaw kinongpang te ki runar kila bom la sho nadu driver bat kitu ki badan na kalyang ka kot ka khia ban sumar ya ki bapang ulong ru tang bakite ki kenhun bakershan ka public hearing kila tombor ya ki seng bat kinong song ba Pyrshah ka public hearing henry ki pulit kila kemru wat kinong ilam seng klem ka daw ka babyang tang na ka daw ka public hearing ka Shim Bynta Limited ulakam tho ru yusumbut menteri ka sarkar ba prastun tensong ubala depkran shakila Thai Kubor ba de ban penpaw kinong rim ha ka public hearing bat kani kamlong kumta ha ka bagatay ka public hearing kadai tang ka private hearing baki tu ki Pyrshah pan Bym Ïoh Lat satya ban penpaw kinong rim baki Pyrshah ik mining plan ka Shim Bynta Limited.
Today, the 31st of July 2026, we, the Jaintia Students Union, were not allowed to participate in a public hearing held by Shim Bynta Limited regarding their mines at Lumserman. A little bit about the public hearing. We had reached the spot for the public hearing yesterday around evening around 4 to 5 p.m. and we had witnessed that some members of other student unions had been detained by the police, and upon inquiry on their detainment, it was known that there was no probable cause, there was no arrest warrants, there was no summons issued by the police department regarding their arrest and their detains. We from the Jaintia Students Union were there and we participated with the people, with the local people who were against the mining project of Shim Bynta. We were with other NGOs from JNC, JSU and others. We were there and we had given moral support yesterday to the people of Elaka Nongkle, and also we were there till the evening because we had to be ready to attend the public hearing in the morning today. So upon waiting on the public hearing, what happened yesterday at around 11:30 p.m. somehow there was a mishap where our ambulance of Jaintia Students Union Central Body was targeted and attacked upon a rescue mission that it was set onto Shnongrim village. It was said we had received a distress call from a resident of Shnongrim village, and at that moment, the Education Secretary had allowed the ambulance driver to go and attend to Shnongrim from Cement Bazaar, and the driver could not reach the destination because he was mishandled, and there was goons who attacked the vehicle and who even attacked the medical attendees at that moment. We clearly condemn this barbarianism of these people, of these goons employed by the Shri Cement Company. We condemn that these people do not have that sense of humanity in them, that they can't even differentiate between an ambulance and a private vehicle. So also we had received news that there were women from Shnongrim village who had been assaulted because they were not allowed to go and protest regarding the public hearing. So we condemn this news also. And also we condemn the news of Shri Cement that they had to buy these goons from outside the district, from outside of East Jaintia Hills, and they had to buy these goons for 1,000, 2,500 or whatever going rate they're going at, just to attend the public hearing and to be goons for them, to hold catapults or any other weapons that they were given by the leaders. And strongly we condemn this public hearing today, which we could not attend. As you know, we have sent the visuals via our media cell. I think the press also has received the visuals regarding the public hearing. We were not able to attend the public hearing as there was a mob and force. They were using weapons, they were throwing stones, they were tossing many other sharp objects at us, and we could not go and attend the public hearing. And just recent we have received the news that the public hearing went smoothly without any opponents, which is clearly false, and we clearly condemn this, because this is not a public hearing, this is a private hearing. One thing I would like to condemn from the Jaintia Students Union side, we strongly condemn the Home Minister on his statements regarding the first public hearing, where he said that we should solve our matters at the public hearing, we should go and attend these public hearings there. But it seems that it's clear that he does not want us to attend. And just day before, he had given a statement in the news that he has instructed the SP and the DC of East Jaintia Hills to maintain the law and order situation so that people could participate in the public hearing. But today we have seen the results and it's clearly false, and he has given false hope and his statements are all false. So we condemn the Home Minister and we demand for his resignation, because he cannot even keep his word, even holding such a big position in the cabinet. And also we condemn the arrest of these other student union leaders, where they have been detained without any probable cause. So we strongly condemn this, and I am sure the other student unions will move this matter into a legal matter, and then they will consult with us so that we will tackle it in a different way. Also, from the Jaintia Students Union side, we have called the DSP of East Jaintia Hills today before the public hearing started, right after we were assaulted by these goons, and he has assured us, and we had telephonic conversation with him, which was recorded, and also we will be giving it in a statement via an FIR to the SP tomorrow. The DSP has confirmed that he will take care of us and he will lead us to the public hearing, which also the Home Department, the Police Department of East Jaintia Hills has failed drastically. So tomorrow, we from our union will be filing an FIR to the SP of East Jaintia Hills, and we will see in the upcoming days what action can be taken from the SP side. And if we find that the SP cannot take any action, we will move to a higher council, we will move to a higher office, or even move to the Meghalaya High Court regarding the situation. Lastly, we would like to thank all our members and the participants who participated in the public hearing, who were en route to participate on the public hearing against the Shri Cement Limited mining plan at Lumsarman. We would like to thank each and every member for being with us, and I hope that they don't lose hope. Regarding this public hearing, because actually we have not lost. We won't consider it a loss because we were not allowed to attend at the public hearing. So I don't think we'll consider it as a loss, because we will try other remedies regarding the matter. Thank you very much.
meghalayapost.news